Hello everyone, welcome to Donemax channel. As a renowned camera manufacturer leading the trend of the times, Sony has users all over the world and across various industries. Today, we will introduce the history of Sony cameras, professional RAW photos and RW files, and how to thoroughly delete these RW files you no longer need. Did you know that the history of Sony cameras didn't begin with a shutter click, but with a buzzing sound? In 1981, Sony shocked the world with the prototype Mavica. It completely abandoned film and switched to magnetic disc storage. This is the ancestor of every digital camera you see today. The Cyber-Shot series, with its compact design and convenience, captivated the public, ushering them into a new era, bidding farewell to the film era once and for all. The NX5, which packed a DSLR-grade sensor into a compact body, ushered in today's wave of mirrorless cameras. The world's first full-frame mirrorless camera, Sony proves to the world, to achieve professional-grade image quality, you no longer need to carry around a bulky camera. From magnetic disc storage in 1981 to AI intelligence today, Sony has always been committed to one thing: creating tools that turn imagination into reality for creators. Whether you are a professional photographer or a lover of life who records it, there is always a Sony camera made for you. Now, let's see the professional RAW photos and RW files, and how to thoroughly delete these RW files you no longer need. We can see the RW RAW files in the camera card and the parameter details listed on the right panel. Now I will demonstrate how to use Donemax Data Eraser to permanently and thoroughly erase RW files. After the erasure process is completed, we use data recovery software to test whether the RW files can be recovered. We can see that no RW files have been found, proving that the erasure is very thorough. That's all for this video. See you next time.